Did you guys see that big red that was for sale? Just outside of Port Elgin, some guy had a 250 ES 3-wheeler. I was like, fuck, I'd love to get one of those. Sweet productions, but they used a 2-seater to do it. So the 2-seater, the fucking box just...
This bad boy goes on like that.
Oh, it's almost like a gasket there.
Oh, there it is. I see it. Yeah, it's right there. So Joe, reach into to the right by your pinky. Your pinky, make it longer. Yeah, a little bit further. Oh, that's right at the tip of your finger. Yeah, right. Oh, just to the right of it. Just to the right of cut hair.
Right.
Yeah. All right. Come on. Get your fucking in.
Warm.
Yeah, boy. Get those fucking INC fingers in there. Come on, right there to the right.
I got it. Oh yeah. Nimble.
Yeah. Those are some INC fingers right there.
Oh, man, that's funny.
Daddy.
Yeah. If you need a pipe shoved in, you call me.
Ratchet? Yeah. Here's the ratchet. Here, let me tweak her over. There's Joe on the video.
Can-Am. Kawasaki.
Oh yeah, Kawasaki. Easy, yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, look at that.
Field torque.
Oh. Grab your beer. Or that's my beer.
12 psi. Or foot-pounds.
Back here.
Oh yeah,
Is that top, is the front one in already?
Yep, it's good. It's done. Yeah, fucking feel that forearm burn, boys. Fucking pump.
You just did your workout, didn't you?
Yeah. Okay, so this goes, take this off, slide this over here. Drop in there. And then that nut just goes in like that. The bolt on the side.
Oh yeah. And bought a set of those, Joe. After
Oh yeah. They're definitely Cadillac.
Yeah, we gotta back this off, push this in tighter so that this flange has to be inside that band. That flange has to be in there. No, we'll just back her off a bit.
Am I on it? Or?
Yeah.
Yep.
Keep going, or?
It's got to be like this.
Yeah,
And
that
then
looks
will
better.
snug it together.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. So
let's
give
go.
them
Do you
the.
want me to see
Go
if I
for
can?
it.
Yeah.
Get on
Give her a little more bagger.
I'm pushing in.
You
In the
push.
back.
Am I on it?
Yeah,
Yep.
I like that.
How's that? Should I go a little more? Like, or do you want to go hand? You want to go?
So that's how it's supposed to look there. That's
Yeah.
good.
Now
Yeah.
wait, it's holding on the ball on that side and half on this side.
Nice.
And you can wiggle it a little bit, but it's gonna stay on there.
Okay. Let's try.
So I say we tighten her a little bit more.
You want to
Tight.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, start that bitch up.
I don't think it.
That's what we're here for.
Boys,
Come on.
Fun or loud.
you ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Fire in the hole.
Okay, here we go. Fire in the hole.
Nice.
Give her a little gas.
Give her a little toot. All right, kill it.
Now she'll
All right. We'll see how many, if it's gonna take.
take at least 2. They say you don't want to overdo it.
No, I don't want to. That's what I'm kind of. As soon as I start feeling some resistance, I'm gonna stop.
I would do a 2 pump and that's it.
So that was 2.
You shut her down.
Think so? Yeah.
No, I'll give her one more.
One more. Think so?
That's my. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know what I'm talking about. It's not.
That's
I'd go
good,
till
eh?
she's juicing out, but no.
I would no.
No?
No, because they tell even Gress told me, he's like, do not just give it 2 pumps.